Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long, so what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called how the subconscious controls all function of the body. This topic I've covered in the last video, friends, okay? And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how to get the subconscious to work for you. This topic I'm going to cover, friends, okay? Friends, this is 34th number topic, 34th number video, and the name of the this concept is how to get the subconscious to work for you. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. The first thing to realize is that your subconscious mind is always working. So, friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that first things we need to realize in our life that our subconscious mind is always working for us 24 into 7, 365 days, friends. Okay. It is active night and day, whether you act upon it or not. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that our subconscious mind is always active day and night and day, whether we work upon it or not, friends. Okay, your subconscious is the builder of your body, but you cannot consciously perceive or hear that inner silent process. So here, this is a very big statement, friends. Okay, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that our subconscious mind is the builder of our body, but we cannot consciously perceive it, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your business is with your conscious mind and not your subconscious mind. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that our business is with our conscious mind and not with our subconscious mind. Just keep your conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best and make sure the thought you habitually think are based on whatsoever things are lovely, true, just, and of good report. So here, author Joseph Murphy is telling that we should keep always our conscious mind busy of with our thoughts, whatever we lovelily, truly, and just think for our good. Means we have to keep on thinking good thoughts, and we need to keep us saying the good thoughts, whatever we feel, friends. Okay, we need to say it to it repeatedly to our subconscious mind so that the information is passed to the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. Begin now to take care of your conscious mind. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling to reach to the subconscious mind. It is very important for us to take care of our conscious mind. So we should always take care of our conscious mind starting right from now, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Knowing in your heart and soul that your subconscious mind is always expressing, reproducing, and manifesting according to your habitual thinking. So we should always know, friends, right, in our heart, that heart and soul, that our subconscious mind is always expressing, reproducing, and manifesting according to our habitual thinking. So whatever we think, it keeps on getting recorded in our subconscious mind, and it keeps on becoming a sanskara in our subconscious mind. So we need to think the correct things in our conscious mind, friends. Okay, and if we think correctly, consciously, then it is going to transfer into our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Remember, just as water takes the shape of the pipe, it flows through the life of principle in you, flow through you according to the nature of your thought. This is a very big and important statement, friends. Okay, here the author Joseph Murphy is telling just as water take the shape of the pipe. That means the water doesn't have any shape. Whichever wherever you will put, that water will become like that only. So in that way, the subconscious mind have no shape, right? So whatever information will be processed in subconscious mind, it will manifest into reality, friends. Okay. So friends, we need to put and build the proper thought consciously in our conscious mind, so that the correct thought are being manifested into our subconscious mind, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Claim that the healing presence in your subconscious is flowing through you as harmony, health, peace, joy, and abundance. We should always claim that the healing presence is flowing through our subconscious through harmony, health, peace, joy, and abundance, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Think of it as a living intelligence, a lovely companion on the way. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that we need to think this in a living intelligence and a lovely companion on our way, friends. Okay. Firmly believe it is continually flowing through you, vivifying. So we need to completely believe that, because these thoughts are completely flowing through our subconscious mind via conscious mind through vivifying, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Inspiring and prospering you. So this energy of a subconscious mind through conscious mind is always inspiring and prospering us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. It will respond exactly this way. It is done unto you as you believe. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling it is going to respond us exactly in that way in which it is done unto and we believe, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling us in this topic as we believe. So friends, in our today's topic I have covered the concept called how to get the subconscious to work for you. This topic I have covered, and friends, in our next video I am going to cover the topic called healing principle of the subconscious restores atrophied optic nerves. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. So, friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay. Till then, goodbye, take care.